Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Workplace on Facebook. Without further ado, let's get started. So just head on and open up the Facebook app right here. And from your home page, or if you're from any other page, just go to the menu page by clicking on this menu icon at the bottom right hand corner, and you should be at this page. Scroll down a bit and click on Settings and Privacy to open up the drop down menu, and click on Settings right here. And from here, let's scroll down again, and under the audience and visibility section, let's click on profile information. And at the very start of this page, you should be able to see the work or the workplace section. And for example, I want to remove this one. You can just click on this pencil icon right beside the work experience or the workplace you want to remove. So click on that and click on edit workplace. So from here, as you can see, there is no direct button to delete it immediately. So what we're going to do is to click on this little X icon right beside the workplace that you have inputted. So click on that. And then we just have to hit save right here at the bottom part of the screen. And this window will pop up confirming if you want to delete this workplace. So just click on delete to confirm that decision. And let's wait for it to be deleted. And as you can see, it has been already deleted from your Facebook account. So that is how you can basically remove Workplace on Facebook. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.